All right, so it's been a while. Yeah, just been busy, trying to pay bills and work and live. Like I said a million times, I'm working on this game in my spare time, only in my spare time, and that's why it's taken so long. If everybody could share this and say, look what this guy's doing with this game, check it out, it's really cheap, buy it, and if it made enough revenue, I could quit working 40 hours a week and work on the game 40 hours a week instead, which I would just love, and the game would be done in no time, but it hasn't happened yet, sadly, so it's going slow, like I said it would, but that's okay. We're gonna keep going. Get into the updates. Okay. So couple small things. I just removed the gray blinks between respawns. I thought this was, I actually added this intentionally. When you would get killed, your head would roll around, you'd see everything, and then when you respawn, there would be this blink and sort of like a flash, and then boom, you're back into the game. And I thought that was a neat separator, but people thought that it was part of the jankiness that was in the game, and it wasn't. It was intentional. But either way, nobody liked it, and it looks better without it. So I removed it. It's gone now. Improved ragdoll collisions for dead player bodies. I can show that, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Before, sometimes your body parts, whether you are falling over from a bullet or being blown apart by an explosive, the body parts would roll and sometimes unintentionally, unrealistically, unnaturally would freeze in weird positions like it wasn't coming to a full rest before it stopped, Anyway, that's fixed. And the main meat and potatoes of this update here is I added 5 more sets of textures for generated buildings to use and improved the random map generation code efficiency and technique, which is easily seen by just looking at the maps. This is generated, and we can generate more. You look around and you can see that there's a flow to it now. So we've got new texture sets. You see the white and the light tan along with the red that was there and the blue, but also the interiors are now all new texture sets as well. So now there's height variation, color variation, size variation, shape variation, layout variation, and now flow generation, which I'm not even sure if any other game has even worried about flow variation in a game. They just would probably make more sense just to worry about if it flows at all. You know what I mean? Like, does this flow or does this block everything from the randomness? From the randomness everywhere I turn, it's random and I can't progress or I can't move or whatever. So yeah, there's different variations of flow now in this game. Maybe another first that I've thrown out there with the many other firsts in gaming. And you can see that with the maps we're generating here. I can fly through, or I can look around with the home and end buttons, move the mouse and your menu comes back. In case anybody missed that in the last update and you haven't been following along, let's generate another one. See what we got here. We will check out the textures and the new sets from the interiors just to take a look real quick. But yeah, as you can see, there's some of the new textures there. just the overall quality has gone through the roof with how this all generates now. Yeah, so let's generate one more that looks good, and we'll fly around and check out the textures.
Game on.
Let me go to the free cam, and we'll find some. So here's the I don't even know what to call it. It's just the light tan building texture, and then I think this is part of the original, but I added the two-tone. So I kind of wanted to make all the interiors two-toned, and the outsides, the exteriors, a single tone. So when you're outside, you can sort of it doesn't mess with your eyes, but when you're inside, there's less to see. So I took that as an opportunity to add more detail from the inside. You like my 2D lights there? It's temporary. I'll add actual lights sooner or later. This is the two-tone interior gold and silver. You like the pattern there? Yeah, very universe-like. This is a Team Fortress inspired wall here, as you can tell. And the white exterior, the new white exterior. Let's see what else we can find. That's the same one. Red, the GoldenEye inspired interior. I feel like there's one more. Let me generate another map. Get it in there. Can I see it from here? Oh, I like that flow. That's a good flow there. Let me jump in.
Game on.
Get the... Having trouble finding it. Red, red. White, green. There's one more interior that's blue. There we go. Alright, so this is the blue interior. Two-tone blue interior, white and blue. And this usually appears with paired with blue exterior. So yep, those are the new texture sets, and just to sort of highlight the new code with the random generation and flow and all that other stuff. So yep, that's all in game now. Check it out, have fun, and like I said, if you'd like this game to be completed even faster, well, fast, I should say, just fast at all. If you'd like it to be completed fast, recommend it to your friends, have them buy it, have them play it, talk about it, and yeah, make me enough money that I can work on it full time, because that's the reality of it. Reality sucks. Gotta do what you gotta do, and I'll keep going either way. But if you'd like to see it before your arthritis and old age set in, let's make it happen. That's it. Enjoy. Have fun. See you later.